Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we'll learn about how to add a data source. Well, we all know how we can add a data source. We'll see a different way of adding a data source. So we generally add a data source by going to this connect to data from sheet and select the data source. Like suppose if I want to connect to a file that is located in my system, I'll select connect to a file and set and then go to the location where the file is saved and then select that file, or else I'll go to this add button here, add a data source window, click on that and I'll get the same pop-up and I can select a file here again, or else I can also add it from the data source level here, go to a file and choose it. So these are the three methods. I mean, we might all know or aware of, but I'm going to show you a different way here. So Tableau automatically reads the data. So now assume that I have some of my files located on a desktop, assume. So you can go to the location where your file is saved. Just drag and drop that file into your uh, Tableau. Automatically Tableau will read that and it will create a data source. Now you see I'm directly connected to that file. So it can be your Excel, it can be your text file, or any file that is locally available in your machine. You need not go all the way here and select the path. You can directly open the path from the windows and then you can directly drag and drop for that to connect from the Tableau. So that's it from my side in this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Have a good day.